All right, welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. How is it going? How is it going? Let's get it rolling, guys. Let me know. Let me know as usual. Let me know on the comment section what you're trading. Okay. Let me know in the comment section what you're trading and all of that as usual. How many of us took the SEI? Okay. And so a lot of persons actually took this and they made some profit for themselves and all of that. Let's get it rolling anyways. But you can still set a limit order for this, okay? Because we just broke out of this trend line as you can see right here, guys. Okay. I think I drew that trend line from the daily time frame. So we just broke out of that trend line. So there is need for us to come for a retest. Okay. There is need for us to come for a retest, and when we come for that retest, that will be an opportunity for you to start looking for trades to the upside. All right. And that retest could actually get us back to that entering level, or maybe at the daily open at the previous day high here, which is around 0.53 level. Okay. So if we do get to that level of 0.53 or 0.52 or thereabout, you should be looking to enter a long trade for SUI going forward. All right. That is for those of you who may want to follow up with this trade. Okay. I see a big move coming up. I see a big move coming for SUI going forward. Yeah, I prayed. Welcome. I hope I've been able to fix your Telegram stuff. You're welcome. Good evening. Yeah, motivational mind. Good evening. Good evening. This thing. Welcome. Welcome, everyone. Please, can you touch on how to use bot to buy a Solana coin? I think I did a step-by-step tutorial on that, right? I did a step-by-step, a full tutorial on how to use bot, because I don't have my Telegram. Okay, I don't have my Telegram on this browser right here. So, and I don't have Telegram open right here. Okay, so if I say I'm going to, start showing you that, I can't just go through it, but I have a step by step. Okay, for this sim, I have a step by step video that shows you how to do, bot. Okay, that shows you how to use bot and all of that. So let me see if I can you. So here. By the way, guys, if you are just joining, smash that like button, okay? Let's go to the channel. Let's see there. Okay, so there is a video I did on Board, right? So if you go to videos on the channel, Board, or whatever the name is. There is a video on boards. Okay, yeah, this one was how to use the base wallet. This one here, okay, this 100 to 2000 bot. I actually go in depth how to use the bot, on this video. So please try to see that video. Try to go see that video. It will help a lot. All right, it will help a lot. Since I don't have Telegram opened on my browser here, I won't be able to walk you through that. Okay, so basically it's very easy. You just get the contract address or whatever token that you want to buy. Okay, you go there, you click on the buy button option, and then it tells you to put in the contract address. You put in the contract address, you click on enter, then the next option comes up telling you how much do you want to buy, and you just follow that. Okay, but that video actually go in depth on that. All right, that video actually go in depth on that stuff. All right, okay, yeah, thank you, welcome. Yeah, so please restrict me. You restricted me from commenting on your Telegram. Why should I restrict you? What did you do to me for restricting you? Motivational mind. Does it mean that almost 1,000 of you who are on that group, I just pointed you, I single-handedly pointed you, and then I singled you out, and then I decided to restrict you? I was not the one, okay? If you post link, if you comment, if you send messages that the bot seems to be, spamming and all of that, it will restrict you, all right? But all you need to do is just to send me your username on Telegram, okay, and I will go ahead and lift the restriction and all of that. So I wasn't the one. who, you know, restricted, say you restricted me. How will I even know that I was the one who restricted you when I have over 10 admins on that platform? So how did you know that I was the one who restricted you? Okay, so for leverage stream, let's look at FTM. Okay, so FTM has actually, since it has, there was a time it was just pumping and pumping and pumping. Actually, I saw FTM around 0.1 or 0.1 or thereabout. Okay, I think around this area here, around this area of 30 something cent, right? And then eventually FTM started pumping and pumping and pumping. Okay, and what happened here, you can see, all right, this is the science behind the 382, guys. Sorry, the golden level with the Fibonacci retracement tool. Okay, so I took this, all right, from that move when we finally broke out of this area there, okay, to that high. And what happened when FTM eventually decided to pull back? What happened? We came and then sweep the liquidity around that golden level right there, okay, which is around up 0.58, and then it started moving back up. Okay, so it started moving back up. So right now for FTM, well, there are two levels I should be looking at right here, okay? So the first level is where the FTM token is currently trading. I don't want it to go below that area, okay? We've used it there as a support. We tested that as a support, and then we use it as a resistance, and that is exactly what is happening right here, okay? So I want to see this support level holds, okay? If this support level holds, then it is good to start looking for a trade from this area here to the upside, okay? From this area here to the upside. And if that fails to hold, okay, if that support level fails to hold, then we can be looking at the next level, which is this level down here, okay, which is this level down here, okay. So we'll see FTM, what's happening, guys. We'll see FTM if it comes back to this level. That is, if we break this level, all right, then the next level you should be looking at will be down there, okay. That's the next level you should be looking at, which is around that, golden level area. Okay, so if I go to like the 4 hours time frame, I'll be looking for my long entry, maybe around this area. Yeah, I want to see a rejection here. Then from here, we can be taking a trade to the upside. Okay, so your long entry will be around this area, and then you'll be targeting that high there. All right, I'm putting stop loss. Let's do 5% for stop loss. Okay, we'll just do 5% down there. All right, and then if that level fails to hold, then the next thing will be to look at this other area here, 0.63. That will be the next area you should be looking to long FTM. All right, so that's my personal view on FTM for leverage. If you want to trade that, yeah, go ahead and do that. All right, go ahead and do that. Okay. Yeah, lost $71 on people USDT today. What happened? People did you long or you short? Did you long or short? Why will you lose $71? Okay. Yeah, if you lose $71, it means that is what your stop loss is. So it's not anything. Okay. So maybe $71 is 1% of your trading capital. Maybe $71 is 3% of your trading capital. So if you lose that, sorry about that. If you use your stop loss, so you always make it back, right? You always make it back. Okay. Like this particular trade here. Okay. If this decides to player, this is like a 1-to-6 risk to reward ratio. That's one, okay, a risk reward ratio of 1 to 1, 5.99, right? That approximately is a 1-to-6 risk to reward ratio. So if you make this and at the end of the day you lose maybe 2-3% of your capital, it doesn't, okay, the profit you make next will always cover up for that. So motivational mind, right? Sorry about that, but yeah, it is normal, right? If it is your stop loss actually, except you got liquidated or you deliberately wanted to lose that $71. So yeah, it all depends. Okay. Please check bread. Yes, I've been on bread since morning. I actually was scalping this thing. Right? I was scalping this thing like back to back. So I saw bread around 1.2 or 1.5, 0.15 or thereabout. That's when I started trading bread. So right now, it's newly listed, so I can't really say that this is the this is the bottom or whatever, but I'm still expecting that bread will do a pullback. Okay, I'm still expecting that there will be a pullback. All right, so that pullback could be, looking at that 0.09 and all of that. So this thing just woke up this morning and then just started pumping. Just started pumping. So I was actually waiting for, I think I started trading this thing around this area. Yeah. I started entering trades around this area. So on. So yeah, for bread, wait for a pullback. Okay, this thing is in an uptrend. So I'm not going to tell you to short right now. So that what happened to us with 𝗫𝗫𝗫? Remember, 𝗫𝗫𝗫 later dumped, right? The 𝗫𝗫𝗫 of the thing later dumped. So I don't want to say short now. Okay, let's wait. I'll be looking for short for me personally because I don't want to hold this trade overnight. I'll be looking for short for this trade from tomorrow. All right, I just want to see where today's high will be, and then I'll just work with that going forward. All right, now I don't have any entry on this except we pull back and then we are looking for a trade up. Okay, I don't have any entry on that for bread. Okay, so 𝗫𝗫𝗫, look at 𝗫𝗫𝗫, guys. Look at 𝗫𝗫𝗫𝗫. Okay, this thing actually later. All right. So if you have big money, big capital, and you are always holding, that is what would have actually played out for me. Let's say I had one kind big money and I put my account on cross margin, okay, and then when it went up a bit, I added, and then it started descending. That would have been a good trade that will give you plenty of money. Okay, when this thing for bread, I'm looking to see a rejection around this area. Let me change the color of that thing so that you'll be able to see it. Okay, so yeah, this is where I'm looking. My first rejection for this, I want to see it around the area of 0.44, 0.044, and then 0.041. Those are the areas I want to start looking for long trade going forward on bread. Okay, those are the areas I want to start looking for long trade going forward on bread. Meaning that if you enter a short trade on bread, you could still get this thing down here, right? If you enter a short trade on bread, you could still, let me look at lower time frame so that I'll show you what I'm looking at. Okay, if we enter a short trade on bread, we can still get bread down to that area there. All right, we can still get bread down to that area there. So yeah, if this thing, this is our daily low, our previous day low, and we are down there. Okay, we are now using that previous day low and the daily open actually as a resistance, right? We came back up there, we rejected, tried to push up, we rejected, tried to push up again, we rejected. So if you get this breath, all right, if you get breath, if you get 𝗫𝗫𝗫𝗫𝗫, okay, come back to this area again. From here, you could actually start looking for short, and that will actually play out for you. All right, so from this area here, we can start looking for short, and then maybe we'll do like a 5% risk, and we will be targeting that golden level right there. Okay, that golden level right there. So this is what I'll be looking at for 𝗫𝗫𝗫𝗫𝗫, and I'll see how it plays out. All right, I'll see how this thing plays out. All right, that's what I'm looking at for 𝗫𝗫𝗫𝗫𝗫 in case it plays out. So painful. Sorry about that. Okay, sorry about your loss. Gambia people are missing a lot of these days. Gambia people, please join us. Or don't keep missing a lot. All right, don't keep missing a lot. There's a whole lot. And then those of you in Gambia, right? I don't know how it is. I don't know how it is in Gambia, but please, guys, lest I forget, okay, I think the link to this is in the video description. Okay, 𝗕𝗲𝗏 actually gave me slot for 500 persons. All right, they gave me a slot for 500 persons. I made a video on this already. This video is about 𝗕𝗲𝗏, and you can actually get a virtual debit card. All right, it is actually Visa card. All right, and they are working on a physical card for this, right? So you can go to the video description and go claim your own right now for free. Actually, it's free. All right, and you can, when the physical card is available, all right, if I deposit my crypto into it, I can go to any ATM machine around my local my area here and withdraw that crypto as Naira. Okay, and withdraw that crypto as my own local currency. So they are working with in every country that Visa is supported. All right, you can actually use this card. So guys, go and take out. There are other automated means of trading which I will go into later on. Okay, I'll tell you how to automate your trading and all of that with the 𝗕𝗲𝗏 platform. So, but now go and claim your card. Go and claim that card. So you need to make a deposit of at least $10 or 10,000 naira into your card, whatever the equivalent of $10 is. Okay, when you open this, actually they will let you know in your own local currency what you need. Activate that card and start using it, because at the end of the day, okay, they are going to start selling this card for, I think the yearly subscription is around $31 or thereabout for a year. Okay, but now you are getting it for free. So you can use it once you fund it. You can withdraw your crypto via that card to your bank. You can deposit money from your bank to that card and use it to buy any crypto asset of your choice and all of that. And those of you who are looking for arbitrage opportunity and all of that, this card will help you do that. All right. If you want to actually send money across borders and all of that, this card will help you do that very easy. So go and claim your card. Go to the video description. Okay, you will see this 3 link here. Go and use it and claim your card. Be among the first 500 persons. I think I only have 20 persons who have indicated interest in that. So we still have about 480 or thereabout, or 440 persons to claim those cards. So act now before the all the slots are taken. Bro, actually exit BYBIT and join Binance. BYBIT don't like me at all. I got 3 liquidation this week, even after setting stop loss, I swear. No, now. And you think is when you go to Binance that you will not get liquidation. So you set stop loss and you got liquidated, and you're not asking yourself why you got liquidated. It was in this live stream that I explained the other day that when I use this long and short position to saying, if I enter a trade, let's say I'm going to short bread, okay, and I bring this thing here and I put it here, okay. If this is a 1-to-1, look at this. This stop loss is 17%. 17%. It means that if I'm using 10x leverage, it means that this market needs to go against me by minus 170% before it hits my stop loss. But the exchange will not allow you. Your margin expires at 90-something%. If you are using a 10x leverage, if you use 50x leverage, your margin, the expiration of your margin, or where you get liquidated, is at 40-something%, minus 40-something%. So you set stop loss that is bigger than your liquidation. Even when you are doing that, the exchange will warn you that this stop loss, you will get liquidated before this thing. You go ahead and do it, and you think it's BYBIT's fault. It is your fault, okay? It is your fault. This is what the stuff I actually explained the other time, that some of us like, who will blame for our, our losses and all of that. So it is not BYBIT's fault. If you go to Binance, you will still commit the same blunder also. So, well, whatever platform you want to use, okay, it is your choice. But in this particular scenario, it is not BYBIT's fault, okay? It is your fault. So if you put stop loss and you got liquidated, it means that your stop loss was actually beyond what your margin would have carried, just like I just shared now, all right? So if you go to Binance and you do the same thing, you will still get liquidated, okay? So guys, when we lose money, when it is our stop loss, we get liquidated. It is not the exchange's fault, okay? It is our fault. So let's accept that and try to correct that so that we don't get into trouble. All right. NTRN. Is that, which token is that? NTRN USDT. Right? I hope I got it right. NTRN also. Yeah, there is something like that actually. Let's look at it and go on with it. Okay. Let me even see what is happening on BYBIT. Yeah, some of these tokens, bread, yeah, it has been pumping and all of that, and I said from tomorrow. And one of you mentioned this token yesterday, right? I was surprised I saw the token pumping flying today, which is this MEW, right? And high from $7 that gone to $8 already. So a lot is really happening these days. Okay, some tokens will just wake up and start pumping in here. 𝗓𝗛𝗓 did great. Audi did great. Filecoin is the one that is pumping. UMA all of a sudden just woke up and started flying. But we'll look for another new entries on UMA, right? We'll look for new entries on UMA. So, but let me quickly look at this on the 4 hours time frame for the NTRN. Let me see what we have on the higher time frame there. Okay. While that is loading up, let me see what you guys are saying. Okay, So I bought LFT on spot. My profit isn't increasing. Eh, where was the entry you bought? Where was the entry, and where is the current price of that token right now? Some of you can be funny at times, okay? Where did you enter the LFT, and where is the current profit, the current price right now? That is what you should look at first. Okay, for this particular token, I don't know which token is this, but we have a very nice uptrend here, guys. Okay, very nice uptrend here. You see, this thing has been rejecting from that trend line and going up, rejecting and going up, and all of that. So let me even take it from this move down here. Okay, so it has been rejecting and bouncing off, rejecting and bouncing off, and all of that. So let me even look at the daily time frame for this and see what's going on with this particular token. So I want to assume that this area here will be my resistance for now. Let me use this area over there. Yeah, so for long setup, I'll wait for this thing to break above that level there. To break above this level, then I can be looking for long trades. But with this rejection that is coming down here, all right, if we don't go below this trend line, okay, if we don't go below this trend line, you can start looking for trades around this area going forward, okay? So if we don't go below this trend line, you can start looking for trades around this area going forward, all right? We just wait for that rejection around that trend line, then we can, we can even target this high here, all right, with our stop loss somewhere around there. And then if we eventually break out of this area, then we can continue to go up with this particular token, all right? This is what I'm looking at, all right? Then for LFT, right? LFT, let me look at what LFT is currently trading at and see why you bought on spot and the price, your profit is not increasing. This thing is still at the entry level now. What was your entering price, please? Okay. What was your entering price? This thing has even gone below the entering price. This was the entering price I gave for this thing, right? And for me, I'm actually doing this here on this thing. All right. I'm just buying and I keep buying. The next buy I have is if it goes to 0.02. That's what I'm looking at, okay? If it goes to 0.02, that's where I'm looking at buying. So if you bought here, this thing is still at the entry level. So how can your profit, or I don't understand. Please now, it was there. Somebody asked that if you buy a token and it's going down, will you be making profit? I say no, you will not make profit. So how can you buy something around this area and it's still within that area and you want profit to increase? Some of you, the way you rush this market, right? Please be careful before you get burnt. All right, they rushing. You guys are rushing this market too much. Okay, stop rushing the market. All right, stop rushing this market. Okay, stop rushing this market so that you'll be able to survive it. All right, you'll be able to survive it. Well, for LFT, I told you guys it was for a long term. For me, I'm looking at long term. All right, if I'm looking for 100, 200% of that stuff, I'm not expecting the 100, 200% to happen immediately. If it happens immediately, great. But what if it doesn't happen? We just, patiently wait for things to play out. Okay, we patiently wait for things to play out, guys. All right. So for Ondo, let me go to daily time frame for this thing. Ondo, let me do daily time frame. Oh, Ondo has actually been flying lately. It has been flying like mad. Okay, guys, give me a moment. I have a call. Let me pick this call, please. Very important. All right, I think I'm back. Okay, so for Ondo has actually, so we broke out of this area and then it just keep flying and flying and flying and all of that. So yeah, immediately we broke out, it just keep flying. So right now I'm just waiting for a pullback. Okay, that golden level is what I'll use. I'm not going to use the 382. If I check the 382, for instance, let's see where 382 is. Yeah, which is around this area. Maybe if we get down there, you can start looking for a long trade and all of that. But I'll just wait for that golden level out there, okay, which is around that support level down there. All right. And that's where I'll be looking for a long trade. For now, I'm not doing anything on Ondo, okay? If you're planning to short, then let me do a lower time frame and see what's going on here, guys. If you want to short this thing, okay, you must wait for Ondo to break below this level here, guys. Okay, you must wait for Ondo to break below. Let's even say that previous day low, right? Wait for Ondo to break below that area. If it does break below that area, that could be, a good area to start looking for short. But for now, you see that we've been going up. Right now that we've been consolidating, Ondo has been rejecting this area here. Okay. So if it comes back here and bounce up, then you can be looking for a long trade. But if not, if it breaks below this area, you can take Ondo, all right, maybe down to that next level, which is that 382 level at 1.1. And then if it continues to go down, you can take it more, all right, and all of that. So yeah, for Ondo right now, I'm not doing anything. But if it comes down here and breaks below, then we can start buying, selling from there. Okay, we can start selling from there. How to find most traded tokens per day? If you are looking for most traded token, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, those are the most traded tokens. Okay, they are the most traded tokens. Look at the volume on all exchanges. Okay, they are the most traded tokens. Okay, so if you want to trade those kind of tokens, please just do BNB and the rest. Okay, and basically I've said this time with that number, I just use the market option. Every exchanges has this, right? I go to BYBIT and look at what is actually pushing. Like I saw bread this morning around 0.1, I think 1413 or so. So if you have entered that trade, you would have been. Then I saw this other one too. I think this one went to 0.006 before it started dropping back down and all of that. Okay. So yeah, you can find all of those tokens on the exchange you are playing with. So it's very easy. Okay. I short it. Okay, yeah. If you short it, just put your stop loss somewhere, right? And you will definitely, get results from that. So yeah. Network has finally leave me to join too. But sorry about your network issue. Welcome. It's nice to have you here today. And once again, for those of you who are just joining, guys, please go and claim this card. It will help you, most especially if you're a Nigerian, okay, and you do business online. Go and claim this card. If you want to start buying things online, and all of that. Remember, if you have your Naira card, it's actually very difficult to buy things that are, I don't know who has actually, without having a dollar card, it's very difficult buying things online with your Naira card. Okay, but with 𝗕𝗏𝗏 card, you can actually spend your crypto anywhere you want. All right, anywhere you want, and the conversion rate is actually fair. 1,500, 1,400 is still fair to the Naira. Okay, it's still fair to the Naira. For me, it is fair actually. I think the problem is that I don't know about spot much. Spot trading is a one-way thing, right? You buy low, you sell high. It's as simple as that. When you buy low, the price will go higher than what you bought it before you make profit. All right. If the price of the spot trading you are buying doesn't go higher than what you bought it, you will not make profit. So the price should always go higher before you can make profit. That's basically how spot trading works. Okay. And then spot trading takes time. It's not leverage that you enter trade immediately. Right now, the next minute you're already in profit and the rest. Okay. Spot trading takes time. Okay. It takes time because if the market moves by 1%, it's 1% you're making. If it moves by 2%, it's 2% you're making. But with leverage, if you have a 10x leverage, 1% is giving you already 10% and all of that. All right, that's how it works. Okay. Where on BYBIT can I sell all these new tokens to put our eye on them? On spot. Okay, Fortune, do that on the spot market. All right, do that on the spot market. If you want to do features strictly. But if you are doing spot, do spot. Okay, spots are where you can actually buy some of these new tokens and make some money from it. All right. Okay. Yeah, bread. We already looked at bread already. Okay. We've already looked at bread, and I said, what was that setup I gave for bread again, Seth? Let me see. Okay, for bread, I said I'm waiting for a pullback, right? Was this? Yeah. I said I'm waiting for a pullback for bread, okay? I'm waiting for anything between this previous day low down to this area. But if not, okay, some of you are looking at shorting this thing right now. Remember what happened with Ben the dog, right? We rushed into it, and eventually it took us out. And what happened? Those who shorted it today are still benefiting from it, right? Because it later dumped, and some persons are making a whole lot of returns from it. So for bread will dump, okay? But if you have the money to hold on to this, you can actually go ahead and short it, all right? If you have the capital to hold on to bread, that even if it goes to 20 cents, you will not get liquidated and all of that. You can short bread and it will go in your favor. But right now, I've not seen any sign of shorting bread yet, okay? But if you have the capital to short bread, go ahead and short it, all right? If you have the capital to short bread, go ahead and short it, okay? You can go ahead and short it, but not me. I will start looking at bread tomorrow. I don't want to hold a trade overnight, only for me to wake up and then it is hitting my stop loss and all of that. Okay, so for Jeffrey, just you can do the short now if you want. Okay, bread went to 18 cents and right now it's dropping, and I bet you bread will definitely drop even down to 11 or 10 cents. But you need to get a good entry to actually enjoy that, right? You need to get a good entry to actually enjoy that. What's golden level? Golden level is these two lines you see on my Fibonacci retracement tree. Because it is on the Fibonacci retracement tree. That's what the golden level is, and it is a combination of two Fibonacci numbers, right? And all of that. So okay, I wanted to change the color, right? Yeah. So those are the golden level, right? The 0.618 down to the 0.786 is regarded as golden level on the Fibonacci retracement tree. Okay, if you want to learn more on that, there is a step-by-step guide. Anyway, by the way, for those of you who bought this course, the course materials are available. Go and consume it right now, okay? Go and consume it right now, and it's still on the bonus price. You can still get it at this price right now. Hopefully by next week or end of this month, I should be increasing the price, okay? It's still at this price right now, so you can still get the course materials are all available. Go and consume the course, go and learn all about that, okay? If you come in here, you see that there is a particular section, okay? About 8 different courses here, all dedicated to Fibonacci retracement too. All right. For those of you asking what is golden level is a level on the Fibonacci retracement too. Okay, so if you want to learn about Fibonacci and how the science behind all these things and all of that, this is a course for you. Okay, there's a step-by-step course here, guys. Go and learn. Okay, take the videos and give us a rating. Okay, give us a rating. And for those of you who want to actually sell this thing to make money, let me know. I'll create an affiliate link for you. Sell the course and you get 50% of whatever sales you bring. Okay, yeah, that's basically it. So Suleiman, let's look at big USDT. Okay, yeah. So buy the course. Some of you, okay, just imagine. Let me take is it motivational mind, for instance. Okay, in one trade alone, you lose $75, $71, right? In one trade alone, you lose $71, and I don't think that is your stop loss. I don't think that trade is your stop loss. All right. But to actually take $25 or thereabout to go learn is very difficult. It's very difficult. And then even if you buy this course, okay, to say that, okay, let me finish the course or let me watch the most important one or what things that I want to learn here, it will still be very difficult. I won't be surprised that a few days from now, somebody will be asking me, what is my login details? for this course. Some of you just think all of those who are flying Lamborghini and buying houses in the island and all of that, they just wake up one morning and then started playing around, right? They started playing around and all of a sudden the money started coming. That is what many of you want to do with trading. Well, the choice is yours. Whatever you feel you want to do, go ahead. Okay, nobody is pushing anybody, nobody is forcing anybody here. All right, if you like, you learn. If you don't like, you leave it. And if you don't learn what happened, you learn the hard way, right? Like a very dark man will say, okay, you will all learn, and when you learn, you will learn the hard way. All right, so for big, yeah, let me see. Okay, so basically what I expect from big is I don't want to see big go below this area. Okay, so I don't want to see big go below this area. So within this range here, let me just do 4 hours. All right, within this range here, I don't want to see big going out of that area. So maybe we can come back down to that trend line, okay, bounce off, and we can start taking trades to the upside. So there are 2 scenarios I'm looking at. Is it that big will break above this resistance here, then we'll start looking for a long trade up, or big will come down back to this area here, and we'll start looking for a long trade from this area here, okay? So if we get big down here, we can start looking for a long trade from that area and then target as high as possible. So that's 2 scenarios I'm looking at for big, okay? Come back down to this area, you pick a trade to the upside, or we break out of this area, you pick a trade to the upside. Okay, alternatively, if I decide to take this move here, let me see, let me even start from this particular move, this one here. Take my fib level up there. Okay, you see that golden level is lining up with this area down here. So yeah, that's the area where I want this thing to come back down to, and I'll start buying from here to the upside. For as long as big doesn't break below this area and start going down, okay, this could be a good area to start taking trades to the upside. All right, so that's basically what I'm looking at for big. All right, that's what I'm looking at for big. And for WIF, those of you who secured profit, congratulations. But if you did not secure profit, this thing, you know, is coming down here. So we went up to around 3.3, right? And then eventually we broke below that area. So right now, for WIF, I think I should go short, guys. I'm going to go short on this particular token. All right, and I'll be looking for, let me look for the areas that I'm going to long WIF. If WIF comes down to maybe 2.7 again, that could be a good area to start longing this thing. But I feel this thing will go down, right? I feel this thing will continue to go down. So I'm going to be looking for short for WIF, all right? So I'll be looking for short from this area, and I can target maybe 2.9. Yeah, that's already at 2.8. Okay, so we're already at 2.8 and all of that. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. If this thing push back up, maybe we go retest that area and come back down. I'm looking for a short trade from that area down. All right. If I get this thing push back and reject at that area and come back, I'm looking for a short trade. So WIF, I'll be going short on WIF. And then for RATs too, RAT, I think it's equally okay. RAT has already dropped. Yeah, it's already dropped, already rejected at that level there. So for this, no trade yet. For that, no trade yet. Let's see what else do we have here. Dogecoin. Doge has gone back to our entry level. Let me see where my Doge trade is currently. Okay, so I'm still holding on. If as long as Doge is holding above that area, I'll still be looking for trades, guys. Okay, for as long as Doge is holding below that area, but if this thing breaks this area, we're going to short, right? Yeah, so for Doge, if it breaks below that area, I'm going to, just short everything on Doge. Okay, if it breaks below that area, I'm going to short. Guys, smash the like button, okay? Smash the like button for me. Smash that like button. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Okay? Smash that like button for me. Let's get it rolling. Okay, those I'm going to be looking for short. Even 𝗕𝗏𝗘, 10,000 ladies, all of those tokens I'm looking for short on them. But I'll send you the setup. Okay, when I finally get entries, I'll send you the setup. Please talk about 𝗕𝗏𝗘. Okay, 𝗕𝗏𝗘. Let's look at 𝗕𝗏𝗘. 𝗕𝗏𝗘. Some of you are falling in love with 𝗕𝗏𝗘. Sorry, 𝗕𝗏𝗘, right? Not 𝗕𝗏𝗘. Okay, so 𝗕𝗏𝗘 is still holding above these levels we're looking at yesterday, right? So this was what we're looking at yesterday. And that is the 382 level. Okay, so that's the 382 level, and 𝗕𝗏𝗘 has failed to break below that area. All right, we've been rejecting around this area, and that is why we add this setup there, right? That is why we add this setup on 𝗕𝗏𝗘 and all of that. So 𝗕𝗏𝗘 has failed to break below that area. Okay, but right now for me, okay, for me to start looking for a long trade for 𝗕𝗏𝗘, it means 𝗕𝗏𝗘 will need to break above this previous day and continue to go up. But if it breaks below this 382 level, okay, the next level you are looking at buying 𝗕𝗏𝗘 is that golden level, which is around this area of 0.04. Okay, 0.014 down to 0.013. Those are the areas I'm looking at. But for now, 𝗕𝗏𝗘 is still above this area. So let's just respect that. That eventually 𝗕𝗏𝗘 will break that line and go up. But if it doesn't go up, okay, we are expecting this thing to break below this area. And if it does, that's where I'll be looking for trades to the downside. And my next buy level will be the golden level, which is 0.014 or 13. Okay, 0.013 up to that 0.014. Those are the areas I'm looking to buy 𝗕𝗏𝗘. Okay, so for VICO, I don't know what you're looking at, but right now, 𝗕𝗏𝗘, I don't have any setup. Okay, is it that 𝗕𝗏𝗘 will come back down here? Okay, we see a sign that is going back, or we take a trade, we break this trend line and continue to go up, or we come back, okay, break below this area, and then we'll continue to go down. That's what I'm looking at for 𝗕𝗏𝗘. Okay, that's what I'm looking at for 𝗕𝗏𝗘, guys. Right? Welcome, guys. For those of you who like to tap, okay, they tap to play, a bit tap to earn or whatever. Okay, PIXFI, don't mix that, guys. All right, PIXFI will be getting listed very soon. Okay, I think that will be the first one to be listed aside. Hopefully before the end of this month. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I don't have a specific date. But PIXFI, please go and accumulate those tokens. All right. Go and accumulate those PIXFI token. You don't even need to be tapping, guys. For those of you who are killing yourself that I don't want to tap, PIXFI don't allow you to tap. The thing will just be claiming mining by itself, and when it is filled, maybe after a few hours they come back and claim. After a few hours they come back and claim. Okay, you don't need to be tapping. And then on the web version, there is an airdrop that they are doing via BYBIT Web3 right now. Okay, I think I was trying to open Web3 on my browser here, but it didn't. Yeah, look at it. Okay, there is an airdrop that they are doing. This is Pixelverse, right? So all you just need to do, I've made a video on this, guys. It's just that at times I don't know whether it's laziness and all of that. Some of you don't see this video. I've made a video on that, okay, on how to use both the Telegram bots and then the web version of it. Okay, if you go to videos, please do this. You don't know, I saw, why I'm actually serious with this is that I saw people who made money, like good money from 𝗕𝗏𝗘, and these are people I introduced 𝗕𝗏𝗘 to, right? I was the one who brought 𝗕𝗏𝗘 to them, and yet they made money because I was, lazy of playing the game and the rest. Okay, I didn't make money. All right, so this is the video I've made on the where is it? This one, right? Yeah, this is the Pixel stuff. If you want to, you can go and see the video. Just log in every day and be feeding your pet. Okay, while you're feeding your pet, you're claiming. That is how you participate in this BYBIT zone. Okay, let me click on it if it will open. That's how you participate. You follow them on Twitter. Okay, it will open, right? So you follow them. Let me see. Let me change this. Okay, let me make it open. So you follow them on Twitter, and then you link up your BYBIT Web3 link to their platform. I'm sorry, I'm having issue. Okay, it will open, but it opens on the phone. You can access your BYBIT Web3 on your phone. Okay, so use the phone and do that, and you can stand a chance to share in this $30,000 Pixelverse airdrop that they're doing via BYBIT. So I've completed the first one. I've completed the second one. It's just the third one that is remaining. So all I need to do is just to click on start. Okay, and that would take me to okay, I'm doing that on the phone. That's why. If not, I have to do that on the web here and install the Web3 and stuff like that. But do it on the phone, okay? Participate and share in this $30,000 airdrop. But if not, the one on Telegram is enough for you guys. All right. Please take advantage of this. This will be listed on BYBIT very soon. So take advantage of it, guys. Take advantage of it, okay? All right. So what else? Please check ADA USDT. Each time I call that token ADA, some persons will be laughing at me. Okay, yeah, let's do ADA USDT for read. Let's do ADA. Okay, so for ADA, I think we are given an opportunity right now to, to long this particular coin. Okay, we have the chance to take a long trade for this particular coin right here, guys. Let me do. Just wait for a pullback and take a long trade, okay? For me, particularly for me, all right, I'll wait for a pullback and take a long trade to the upside, all right? And what I want to see is to see this coin come down to this area here, guys. And that's why I'll be looking for long trades. And as always, I want to use my BYBIT scale order to add more to my position. Let's see if I bring it. That's 3%, 4%. Okay, it won't be bad if I'm risking 4%, but it won't be up to 4%. I'll just have some limit orders around this area to cash up in case we dip down here. All right, in case we dip down there, I'll have some limit orders there to cash up, and then from here, I'm taking this straight to the upside. All right, so that's what I'm looking at for ADA. All right, that's what I'm looking at for the ADA. So if you want, you can go ahead and look at that. Okay, this is what I'm looking at for ADA. So if it plays out, that is what I'm going to be playing around with. Okay. So come reject it, take a trade to the upside. So I'm looking at that level of 0.46 upward. That's what I'm looking at. Okay. Yeah, Michael, is nice to have you here. You're welcome. Any future trading opportunity? Yeah, that's exactly what we'll be looking at. So for those of you who don't like swing trading, right? Well, those of you who don't like swing trading, well, I don't any scalping trade for you, but let's see. Let me see what BYBIT does here. Okay, let me do this MEW, right? Okay, I talked about UMA, right? Let me give you the setup for UMA. I'm equally looking for a long trade for UMA, but let's do this one first. Keep an eye on this coin, okay? I'm looking for short for this particular coin, but I don't have any entry for this one yet, okay? I don't have any entry for this one yet, but we'll look for short for that coin, okay? Then UMA, let me see. Okay, before I look for long, I think UMA is equally good for short, actually. Before I look for long, I take this above that area. How many percent? 5%. Okay. Then my long trade will be from. That's what I'm looking at for UMA, guys. Let me see how this will play out. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at for UMA. Okay, that's what I'm looking at for UMA. Let's see how this will play out, and we'll go ahead and take trades accordingly. All right, let's see how that will play out. Then maybe when we come back down here, anything around that $3.33 level, we'll start looking for long trades. Okay, that's what I'm looking at for UMA, guys. That's what I'm looking at for UMA. And the next token I want to look at is 𝗕𝗏. Next token I want to look at is 𝗕𝗏. Sorry, let me just set up this limit order for this. Let's see that I don't get to miss this. All right, so the next one is 𝗕𝗏. I don't understand this your question. Free money, how? How are you looking at free money? What free money do you want to get? I'm equally going for short on this, okay? Let me see what will happen here. Let me do 15 minutes actually. For 𝗕𝗏, I'm going short, guys. All right, that's the setup I'm looking at for 𝗕𝗏. So I'll just set the limit order for that. I'm going short on 𝗕𝗏. All right, let's see how that will play out. All right, so I have a limit order for Stosh. Let's see how that will play out. Yeah, I have a limit order for Stosh. Let's see how that will play out. Bonus or something. You need to work hard for the bonus, okay? You need to work hard for the bonus. Maybe BYBIT will do bonus. Yeah, I think the link I'm sending, okay, you can get $20 bonus, but that one will require you to, sign up for a new account, deposit $100. I just posted that link this evening on Telegram, okay? If you can do that, you get $20 bonus to play around with. Okay, you get $20 bonus to play around with. Moreover, you can withdraw the $20 if you want. Okay, you can withdraw the $20 if you want, actually. Whoa. What's happening with all these tokens? Okay, so another shot for this one. All right, another shot for this one, guys. I'm looking for another shot if you can get up to that level, and then we can ride this trend down there. Okay, if Bome push back up to that level, please take a short trade from here and take it down. That's basically what I'm looking at. All right, let's see how that will play out anyways. Okay, so I'm going to set a limit order for this. If we push back up to that level, or maybe I just enter a market order, I don't know. I just do market order. What do you guys think? I'm doing market order for Book of Men. Yes, it's possible now. You've been seeing it has been happening time with that number, okay? It's possible for that to happen, right? It's possible, Michael, it's possible for that to happen. What's the advantage of being Launchpad on BYBIT? You get tokens, right? You get tokens before they are listed for trading at a cheap rate and all of that. That's basically what the Launchpad is. It is not just BYBIT, across every other exchanges. Okay, you get tokens before they are listed for trading, and once they are listed, you make money from it. And that is why I say for those of you who have Binance account, okay, if you buy BNB, just take the BNB. Binance will automatically be giving you all those tokens that go through their Launchpad platform. Okay, depending on the number of BNB you are staking, okay, you can be making up to 200, 100, 500. Some people make thousands of dollars from just the Launchpad program alone. Okay, so BYBIT, the same thing. If you do Launchpad, whenever you participate in the Launchpad, you get the tokens before they are listed for trading. Okay, yeah. So let's do Punk. I think that token was listed today for futures, right? Yeah, it was today. It got listed for trading, I guess. It got listed today, right? Well, guys, any token I'm looking at right now, I feel like shorting away. Right? So if you you can equally, but I don't know. I don't have any idea on this. Okay, but I'm looking at. I don't want to short a token that I'll go to bed without closing the trade. So, but I see this token coming down to this area, right? I see it coming down to this area. So if you can, that's basically what I'll be looking at for Punk or Punky, or whatever the name is. Christopher. That's what I'll be looking at. Okay. Yeah. Welcome. That's what I'll be looking at for Punk. But let me just see how it goes. Okay. A few other tokens that I'm looking to short and all of that. Almost all these meme coins too. Let me go to Notcoin. I want to long Not. Where is that Notcoin of it? I'm taking a long trade on Not, guys. Let me see how it goes. I'm setting a long trade for Nots. Put your stop loss. All right, if you want to join me, that's what I'm looking at for North Coin. Okay, I'm on a long trade for this. Let's see how it goes. Let's target that previous high there. Okay, let's see how that will play out, guys. Let me just take this one out for now. That's what I'm looking at for North Coin. Okay, if you can, go ahead and join me with a stop loss. So use stop loss. You can put, if you want to be, you can put your stop loss maybe below that 0.019. But me, I've put my own stop loss where I can afford to lose. Yeah. So if you want to, you can enter that trade with me, yes. So I'm looking for a short for this. Okay. I'm looking for a short for this. Yeah, we can do that 40% for loss, for stop loss, and then take profit around that area. That's what I'm looking at for the punky or saver, except, you know, it goes above that area, guys. What kind of chart is this one? I don't understand this lady's chart. Guys, I'll just do market order on this 𝗕𝗫𝗘𝗏 thing. I'll add to it if it goes up. Okay, I'll add to my position if it goes up a bit. Well, let me just do market order for this, guys. I'm losing money right now. Let me do market order. Maybe I'll add. We'll get to 1.2 or 1.39. I'm adding to that position. But for now, yeah, I'm already in this trade. Target. Let's see what we are targeting there. 0.01. 0.01. Yeah. So let's see how it goes. I think this one is, I'll just set a limit order to add to it if we get up to 0.129. Are you guys even following me? Are you guys following at all? Yeah, so I'm just doing short. I did market order for this one. Let me see bonk. Okay, I'm equally going short on bonk. I'll equally go short on bonk. Let's see, where's Floki? Yeah, I'll just risk $10 inside all of this trade. Floki, bonk, I'm doing short for them. Let me see how the trade will go tomorrow. I just risked $10 into these trades, and I'm doing market order for all of these guys. Please be careful, okay? Don't play around this thing and come and lose your money and say I was the one that asked you to. All right? I know what I'm doing. So, and the next one will be Floki. Okay, I'm already plus 10% on BOMI, Book of Men, right? I'm already plus 10%. So yeah, if I'm to scalp by now, maybe I'll just close and then re-enter the trade and all of that. But yeah, I have a target for that. Let me see how it goes. Okay, maybe I'll make some $100 from all of these things and all of that. So I'm short on Bonk, I'm short on the Floki, and I'm short on BOMI. Okay, let's see how those things will go. All right, let's see how those trades will go and all of that. Okay, guys, so I'm not holding any short long trade right now, except for what's this one called, for Notcoin. Okay, that's the only coin I'm holding, and then my stop loss is very close in case. But I'm short on BOMI, I'm short on the Doge, not Doge. Okay, I'm short on Floki, I'm short on Bonk, and this one that I would, oh Jesus, look at this thing. I wanted to enter a short trade, right? I was waiting for it to pull back. Let me short this one too and join. Let me enter short on this one too and join. I will enter short on that one too and join. Then meme coin, I'll this one too and join. Shorting everything here, guys. Everything shortable. Guys, Notcoin is not going well for me, but just be careful, right? Be careful with all your long trades, okay? For now, it is only the short trades that are going well, right? It is only the short trades that are going well, so be careful with your long trades, okay? Be careful with your long trades. I don't know what is happening to the market right now. I think market seems to be... Is there any news? Is there any news flash? Is there any news flash that is making the market to dump? Okay, yeah, let me just quickly look at some of the tokens you have here, and then we can call it a day. So we have MOG. So MOG is only trading on spots. Yeah, MOG is only trading on spots. So if you want to buy this thing, you wait for a pullback. Okay. Anyway, it's actually there. It's actually there. But if you are buying, I would just say, I don't know what is happening in the market right now. Okay, everything seems to be dumping with high speed and all of that. Everything is dumping. So if you're on any short trade, you should be making profit. But if there is anywhere this one is trading at the spot market, yeah, on the futures market, yes, you can go ahead and take a trade. Okay, yeah, look at that, guys. Everything just seems to be dumping. And look at, hey, look at this one. Look at this one. God, why didn't I enter market order with this thing? What's happening? What's happening in the market, guys? What is going on? Whoa, whoa, whoa. This one is already hitting stop loss. What's going on? Is there any news somewhere? Guys, let me know. Is there any news somewhere? Yeah, one already hit stop loss. The Notcoin already hit stop loss. But all the short trades are going, guys. Look at this. Look at this massive move, guys. Wow. I missed this. I missed this one. Pepe. All of them are the same thing, right? Everything is just the same thing. Let me see. I want to see what BTC is currently doing. Oh, no wonder. The speed at which BTC is dropping is what is happening, guys. What's going on? Is there any news from the US? What are they doing? Is there any war somewhere? What's happening? Check for me, please. Check our platform and let me know what's happening, guys. Okay. It's only the short trades that are going well for me. No long setup. It's going well right now. Everything is just dropping 10, 20%, 100%. Yeah, not going stop loss. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Who is with me on these trees, guys? Who is with me on any of these trees? Beautiful trades. All the short trades are doing great, guys. Every other token is dumping 10-20% right now. All the short trades are doing great. Pepe. This is Pepe, right? Yeah. For those ones I didn't cash. Okay, those ones I didn't cash. I'm not going to rush into them right now. For those ones that I didn't cash, I'm not going to rush into them right now. But I feel that even Pepe 2 will still continue to go down. So, yeah. We'll just do market order for these two. And just do market order for that too. I don't know. Yeah, this one too that I wanted to show. Okay, Floki going well. Just that is pushing back, and then bump too. Yeah. Okay, so for Pepe, just set a limit order at this area of 0.013 and see what happens. Let me do Pepe. Okay, so I'm already up by a lot of percentage. Bome is giving me like 300% already. Mem and the rest. Okay. Oh, Pepe, if you do market order, that will equally go. Let's do market order on Pepe, guys. Yes. Be careful, guys. Be careful so that you don't get taken out of the market unexpected. Hey, what's going on, guys? What is happening? Can anyone get me any news why these things are dumping this way? Jesus. Okay, guys, I need to focus. Okay, I'm trying to control some of my trades here to see which one I'm securing profit on and all of that. You see that the volatility is much. Okay, I hope you are not holding any long trade, because if you do, guys, you'll get I don't know what to say. If you're holding any long trade, guys, you're on your own. Seriously. If you're holding any long trade, guys, you'll get injured. Okay, so be careful with long setups and all of that. Okay. Sorry. Sorry, I may not be able to read the comments. Okay, I have a lot of trades that are going up and down. Yes, I need to control that. Please let me check Zeta, guys. Anything you see now is shorting. Okay, there is nothing like check Zeta or check this one. Anything you see in the market now is to short. Okay, anything you see right now is shorting, guys. I'm not, but don't enter trades right now because they are at the level where they are pulling back, pulling up, and all of that. So don't enter trades right now, guys. Be careful with the trades you are entering right now because any trades you didn't enter before now. Let me check what is happening right now. Okay, I need to check if there is. If you get any news, let me know. If you get any news, let me know. Okay. Let's see whether we can hold the trades for long or these things will start pulling back up immediately. All the short trades, let's see whether we can hold them for long or maybe they will just start pushing back up immediately. I don't know. So sorry. That's what I say. Any long trade, please close all long trades and take short. Okay. All long trades should not be held. All long trades should be, I don't know. Yes. Okay, yeah, $26 in shorting BTC. Congratulations, Vico. Congratulations, guys. No, the short trades are really going well, guys. Okay, short trades. So what I'm looking at right now is should I hold, okay, or we call it off here because I don't know how much do I need to have in my account to create perpetual. As little as $5, $1, you can use that to trade. Okay, as little as $1, you can use that to trade. So all the trades that I have right now, I'm thinking whether to hold or to quit. Okay, but I need to find out what the problem is right now. It's making. I don't know what the news is that is making everywhere catch fire. Everywhere is catching fire, guys. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, where will I get the news now? Twitter. Let's check Twitter. Let's check Twitter. Okay, there's something going on. I think this guy that has been promoting okay, so this guy that has been promoting what's it called? This GME coin or so, or is it GME or whatever. I heard that he had a live stream, okay, the roaring kitten or whatever the name is, he had the live stream, and then the token down by minus 40% during his live stream. Maybe that is what is affecting the market right now. So your long trades, don't feel that you hold them forever, okay? Don't feel that you hold your long trades forever because it may not, this sell now could get bought up immediately, all right? This sell we are experiencing right now could get bought up immediately. So be careful when it is necessary to make secure profit, please do. Okay, these things we are seeing could get bought up immediately. So let's take it easy. Let's take it easy, guys. Let's take it easy. Anyone that you see, Audi is going the other way. Is Odi going up? Odi can be acting so somehow funny. Let me see. Is Odi going up? What is it going on? Let me see what Odi is doing right now. That's Odi is going down. So how did you see which other way you are looking at? Every token is dumping right now, okay? All the things we are looking at is dumping right now. I had 43 on BYBIT, but I couldn't get in on BTC trade because of minimum. So no, there's no minimum except you are, I don't know, there's no minimum. Leverage trading, there's no minimum. Okay, there's no minimum. I don't know what the issue is, but maybe you send me a screenshot of whatever mistake error you are getting so that I will see what's happening. But there's no minimum. Okay, with $1 you can use it to enter a trade. With $2 you can use it to enter a trade. With $4 you can use it to enter a trade, guys. There is no minimum there. As everything is dumping, so be careful with the market, guys. What's going on, guys? Even WIF, all of them. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, guys? Look at this done today. Whoa. Jesus Christ. Okay, so network now want to start their own. Okay, so guys, I don't know what to say, but BTC, the way BTC is pushing down right now, guys. If we don't hold this level of 68, guys, then we are seeing BTC at 67, all right? We don't hold that level, we can see BTC at 67, guys. What's going on? What's going on? Why are we having this massive, dump right now, guys? Everything just guys. For those of you who are up to take short trades, congratulations. Yeah, let me look at your question because I've secured some of my trades. Is it because I'm trading with the bonus they gave me? Yes, even with the bonus. Now, if you are trading on cross margin, okay, you cannot use all the trades at the same. I don't know what you are trading, okay. I don't know what exactly is the issue you are facing. But if you share screenshot, maybe I could be of help, okay? If you share screenshots, I don't know what exactly is the issue you are facing, but you know. You can join if you're on Telegram, okay? You can let me know on Telegram what you're facing, then I'll look at that, okay? But right now, guys, if you are not on short trade, then you are wrong, okay? If you are longing any trade, except you are going to put a limit order on BTC around that 67, okay? Then I know that when it comes to 67, there could be a bounce from that area, then you take a trade up. The same thing happens with all these tokens. For instance, for WIF, okay? For WIF, actually, we've gone beyond the area I was expecting. Maybe this long setup will come down to that area. So anything between this area of 2.4 down to 2.2, okay, we can start looking for trades. Maybe I'll go and use the BYBIT, what's it called? BYBIT limit, BYBIT scale order type, okay, to set up some of these trades because they are all pushing back up with speed. Okay, they are all pushing back up with speed and all of that. But let's see. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. But yeah, I'll be looking to pick trades up maybe around that 2.4 down to $2.2 level for WIF, and the same thing goes with every other token that I'm actually looking at right now. Okay, yeah. So right now, don't rush into any trade yet. Don't rush into any trade yet. But we can set limit orders before we call it a day, guys. What's happening again? Just great. So if that amount of money will be, maybe that's why, okay? Because a lot of liquidation will actually happen, all right? A lot of liquidation will happen if that huge amount of money will expire today. So yeah, a lot of liquidation will happen actually. Maybe that's what is going on right now. Maybe that's what is going on right now. For Audi, where is Audi? I thought I was looking at Audi right now. Let me see Audi. Audi, I think I have limit orders set up for that too. Oh God. The way this thing is jumping down, up and down, and all of that. Guys, don't be too focused on the spot trade, okay? Take the ones you've been given and exit the market, okay? Because these things are pushing up with speed, okay? Market is pushing up with speed. So if you didn't take any of the trades that you were given, yeah, the market is pushing up immediately, all right? Buyers are coming in and pushing up this thing immediately. So Audi, yeah, would have taken it at 56, but market is pushing up immediately, guys. Okay, so if you are still on short trades and you have not secured profit, then you could lose back that money. Okay, if you are still in a short trade and you have not secured profit, you could be losing back that money you've made. All right, you could be losing back that money you made because the market is pushing up with speed right now. Everything is pushing up right now with speed. So if you have not secured profit, then you could be at the verge of losing back that money you made. Let's stop losses. We need to wait for the market to stabilize, okay, to actually look for entries. If you did not cut anyone, then guys, Audi just came back to that previous day low and then it bought up immediately. Okay, Audi came back to that previous day low and bought up immediately. So yeah, if you didn't secure profit on all of your short trades, guys, you could be losing that money because everything is getting bought up immediately. Okay, everything is getting bought up immediately. So yeah, secure your profit and exit this market, guys. This market is crazy. This market is crazy, seriously. Okay, Pepe that was in profit right now for me has just all of a sudden turned the other way around. Oh, what a day! What a day! What a day! What a day, guys! Okay, so I'm just trying to get new entries, but I don't think I should rush this market right now. Okay, the one I've made is enough, guys. I'll call it a day. I will start looking for new entries from this market tomorrow. Okay, we'll start looking for new entries from this market tomorrow. But look at this thing. Look at this thing. It just cleared that here, right? It just cleared every other here, and then it's pushing back up. Just cleared every other there, and it's pushing back up, guys. That's madness. That's insane. Wow. What a day. It's so for this particular token, right? For this particular token, if I get it down here again, maybe I'll be looking for long around this area, targeting that high. And then for WIF, yeah, guys, if you get WIF goes down to 2.5, 2.4, that could be a good area to start looking for a long trade. And maybe a bonk will look at this area down here, guys. Okay, a bonk gets to 21.20 cents. That could be a good area to start looking for trades. Okay, for rats, okay, I would have been smart enough to short this thing. It would have actually made me some money, but yeah, it is what it is, guys. Okay, it is what it is. And this one too. Okay, yeah, this one cleared all the liquidity, and then it's pushing back up. All right, maybe from that area there too, you can start looking for long. Okay, From that area there, you can start looking for longer and all of that. But let's see how it goes. Let's see this 4 hours candle closes in the next 1 hour. So once the candle closes, we'll be able to make decisions. But whatever I say, I'll share with you guys on Telegram. So if you're not on Telegram already, join us there. That is it for this night, guys. It was a profitable one. And for those of you who lose money, so sorry about it. Okay, sorry. We were taking on our way. I didn't even know what was going to happen. Okay. But yeah, if you were smart enough to join me in doing market order to take those short trades and all of that, you should have recovered back your money and all of that. All right. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for being with me for the past 2 hours plus. Yeah, almost 2 hours plus or thereabout. Okay. Yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Anyways.